Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to create a game in Mini Militia. To create a game in Mini Militia, launch the Mini Militia Doodle Army 2 app open on your mobile device. Once you are in the home page, go ahead and tap on Play Custom button on the right hand corner. Now click on Create Game. Select the map from the menu and then tap on the Create Game button at the bottom right. On the next page, go ahead and invite your friends that you want to play with. Tap the plus button right next to Invite Friend and then select your friend you'd like to play with and tap on Send in order to send them the request. After you do that, you can wait for your friend to join in the game. You can also share your invitation code to your friends by tapping the share button right next to game code, and you can invite multiple friends to the game. And that's how you can easily create your own game in Mini Militia and invite your friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.